Welcome to your December Take and Make craft, which is to make a paper bag gingerbread house. So inside your bag, you have lots of different colored pieces of construction paper. You have gingerbread men and trees. You have a piece of brown paper, which we're going to cut to make a door. You have a piece of white paper, which we're going to cut to make a snowy roof. And then you have just different colors of construction paper that we can use to decorate. And then the bag that your craft came in is going to be your gingerbread house. To complete this craft, you're going to also need scissors and glue, preferably a glue stick. And then you can also use extra paper and crayons if you want to make additional decorations, but those are optional. So we're going to set our bag aside and we are going to cut out everything we need. Now that everything's cut out, it's time to start decorating. So I'm going to set my bag down and I'm going to figure out where I want to put all of my decorations. So I'm going to put a door on the front here. Like so. And I think I'm going to put a tree next to the door. And then I'm going to decorate with some of these colorful circles. And maybe one more here. There we go. Now I'm going to wait for that to dry. And then I can turn it over and decorate the back. You do need to fold down this piece right here to get the whole back in. And let's see, I think I'll put another tree here in the back. And the rest of my little circles here. There we go. And then again, I'm going to wait for this to all dry. Once your front and back are all dried, you can decorate your sides. So I think I'm going to put one gingerbread man on each side. You have to be a little more careful with this. So let me put my glue on. And then you have to sort of stick your hand in and then kind of press your hand on the inside and your hand on the outside together. There's one gingerbread man, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we'll turn this over. More glue. And put your hand inside. And stick your gingerbread man on. Okay. And if you want to, you can add more decorations. I think that's what I'm going to do here. I've made some peppermint candies with my extra paper and some crayons. So I'm just going to decorate here above the gingerbread man. With my peppermint spirals. And let me turn it over and do the same thing on this side. And then I also made a window with some of my leftover brown paper. So I'm going to put that on the back here by the tree. So there will be a door on the front and a window on the back. Let's see. Put it right there. There we go. And again, we're going to wait for everything to dry. The sides are all dry, so now it's time to add our final step. We are going to turn our paper bag back to the front, and we are going to fold over the top like this. And then we are going to take some glue and just put it all along the top here. And then we are going to place our icing snow paper on top. And there we go. There is our gingerbread house.